Hi friends, good morning. Myself Daini here. Hope you have seen my last video on COVID-19 MCQs. So today we'll be learning about few more questions that are expected from the area of COVID-19. So first question is, which of the following is not a most common symptom of infection caused by coronavirus? So the options are fever, tiredness, difficulty in breathing, and brown spots around the face. So which is not a most common symptom of infection? So D is the answer. Usually fever is seen. It may be a mild fever or high grade fever, and tiredness will be there, and difficulty in breathing. All these are found. Along with that, the patient may be having dry cough and lack of taste, that is ageusia, and lack of smell, anosmia. These will be found, and from this question the answer is D. Which of the following is not a proper specimen for the identification of SARS-CoV? So the options are nasopharyngeal swab, urine, blood, oropharyngeal swab. So among these, nasopharyngeal swabs are used for RT-PCR, and blood is used to find out the antibody levels. When the person is infected, and after a few days to months of infection, the person may have antibodies to the SARS-CoV in their body. So blood is also used to find out the antibodies against the infection. It is used mainly to find if a person was infected earlier. And oropharyngeal swab, that is also used for RT-PCR tests. So the right answer is urine. And what other specimens can be used? According to WHO, saliva, sputum can also be used for identifying the SARS-CoV. Next question, according to WHO, which of the following cannot help in the treatment of coronavirus? The options are dexamethasone, respiratory support, remdesivir, and Tamiflu. So dexamethasone, it is a steroid that is used when the patient is on ventilator, and respiratory support, that is important in case of severely ill patients and those who are critically ill. And what about remdesivir, that is seen to have some effect on the patients who are affected with coronavirus. And Tamiflu, it is usually used as a treatment regimen for swine flu. Hope you remember that. So the answer is, which of the following cannot help in the treatment of coronavirus? That is Tamiflu, D. Next question. The word corona of coronavirus refers to. So what does the word corona mean? Options are thread, whip, prominent halo of spikes, and rod. So the word corona refers to the prominent halo of spikes that is seen around the coronavirus. Next question. Severe acute respiratory syndrome in human is caused by which virus? Lassa virus, coronavirus, picornavirus, and rhabdovirus. What is Lassa virus? It is an arenavirus that causes Lassa hemorrhagic fever. It is a type of viral hemorrhagic fever in humans and primates. And picornavirus, they are a group of non-enveloped RNA virus which infect humans and cause common cold, polio, meningitis, etc. So that is also a distractor. And the last option is rhabdovirus, that is a negative strand RNA virus that causes rabies. Okay, so which one is the answer? B. Coronavirus is the answer. Severe acute respiratory syndrome in human is caused by coronavirus. Next question. Which of the following may be used as a precaution to protect from the coronavirus? Which of the following may be used as a precaution to protect? Options are: cover your nose and mouth when sneezing, adding more garlic and honey into your diet, taking antibiotic treatment, and taking pneumococcal vaccine. So what is the precaution? Covering your nose and mouth when sneezing. A is the correct answer. Adding garlic and honey, it can improve your immunity, but it's not a proper precaution. And taking antibiotic treatment, it is not recommended by WHO. It can be treated to used to treat other bacterial infections related to the coronavirus infection. Coronavirus is a viral infection, but along with that, the person may be having some kind of bacterial infection also. They can get while they are in the ventilator or when they are admitted in the hospital. So in that case, antibiotics can be used. Otherwise, antibiotics are not recommended for coronavirus infection. And what is the next option? Taking pneumococcal vaccine. In case of influenza, it will help, pneumococcal vaccine. Otherwise, for coronavirus, it's not used as a precaution. So the A is the option. A person can take precautions by covering the nose and mouth while sneezing and coughing, by using tissue or their own elbow, and they have to throw the tissues into a closed dustbin. So next question. From where coronavirus got its name? The options are: due to the crown-like projections, due to their leaf-like projections, due to their surface structure of bricks, due to their rod structure. So as we have already seen, corona means crown. So due to their crown-like projections, answer is A. The next question. The first case of novel coronavirus was identified in which place? Okay. So the options are Beijing, Shanghai, Wuhan, and Tianjin. So the right answer is Wuhan, Hubei. Okay. The first case of novel coronavirus was identified in Wuhan, which is a Hubei province in China. Next question. What is the official name announced by WHO on 11th February 2020 for the disease that is causing the 2019 novel coronavirus outbreak? So the options are COVID-19, CoV-19, CoV-20, COVID-19. So the correct answer is COVID-19, A. Next question. Which is the Indian state where first coronavirus case was reported? So the first case of coronavirus in India was reported in Kerala when a student came from Wuhan, and that too in which district of Kerala? Thrissur. Okay. So these are the questions that we wanted to discuss today. So hope you have got some idea. You can expect these questions in your upcoming entrance examinations, as this is a pandemic and that is more relevant to this situation. So all the best for those who are writing the exams. Stay tuned with me for more information and more videos related to MCQs that are expected in the upcoming exams. Thank you so much. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, like and share to your friends so that you will be benefited. Thank you.